Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram carousel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and open this website called canva.com, and after that you have to sign in here and sign in and log in into your account. Then search here carousel Instagram post. And then here you'll find many templates to make your own carousel. So some are pro and some are free. So I'm going to use a free carousel from here. So I'm clicking on it. And then here we can see total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 page inside of this carousel. And if you want to delete any page from here, simply click on this delete button to delete page. And if you want to add another page, click on add page and you can customize this page. So now let's see how to edit this page. So I'm going to edit this first page. So I'm going to select this background image and click on edit image. And now you can change the brightness of this background image. You can change the contrast and the saturation, and you can change the filter. You can change the photogenic, everything you can change. And if you want to change the main background image, then go to uploads and you can upload media from your PC. Then I'm going to, first of all, you have to delete the background image, and then suppose I want to add this, so I'm clicking on it. So after uploading photo here, click on image, then you can resize the photo, and now click on position and click on backward, and then here you can see the photo has been added to the background. So I'm taking it, and now let's see how to change this first part. Simply select the element which one you want to edit, and then you can change the font style from here. You can change the font size, you can change the font color, alignment, you can change the effect, you can change everything. Okay, and this is very easy to create a carousel for Instagram post. The same way you can change every page. So when your editing is finished, click on download, and from here file type select PNG, or you can select JPG. I'm selecting PNG. Then select page. From here you can select the page you want to download. So I'm selecting all my pages, and then click on download. And here you can see all the carousel has been downloaded in a zip file. So I'm going to extract this zip file. And here you can see all the photos have been downloaded. Now I'm going to upload to my Instagram. So open Instagram on your browser, and then click on this plus icon, new post, select from computer, and now select all these photos, open, and here you can see carousel has been added. Then click on next, share, and here you can see my post has been shared. Now I'm going to my profile, and here is the carousel I just created and uploaded. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.